OPPO F7. Let me show you how to enter here the engine mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using this code. Let's open here the asterisk #808#, and as you can see, the engine mode just pops up. Here you can check out the assembly test projects. You can see the test vibration. You can see use device debugging. You can also use the camera, media debugging, and other stuff such as communication debugging or others. Here, for example, you can check the software version. That's it. Let's go back, and you can also use the second engineer mode. Let's just use this code *#3646633#***. As you can see, the second engineer mode just pops up. Here you can use the telephony section and, for example, read the band mode. You can select the connectivity and check out Bluetooth, FM receiver and Wi-Fi. You can use the hardware testing, location, log and debugging, and others. So that's it. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.